Are your power bills higher than you expected them to be? A good cooling and heating contractor should be experienced enough to handle all your cooling and heating requirements, from seasonal checkups and simple repairs, right through to the installation of a full energy-efficient system if necessary. Our home cooling technicians are all of the above and more, and it's our mission to keep you comfortable whatever the weather. Pick up your phone now and call us for your air conditioner service, Cabot, Arkansas, today.